Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the Remix IDE, what it is, how to use it, and how to deploy a simple Hello World contract with it. So when you visit remix.ethereum.org, I will list this URL in description. You will see this type of screen here. Now we can see different tabs here. One is about File Explorer, where you can, when once you click on it, you can explore different files that you have in your workspace. One is Search in Files, Search tab. I would say you can search anything in your files or any file that you have in your recent workspace. Now, the third tab is about the compilation tab. This is an interesting tab, and here we can select the different compiler versions based upon our smart contract needs. We will see it in a bit. And here is the most important tab, that is the deployment tab. Here you can select the environment for testnet and mainnet. We will see what they are actually. You can select injected provider, and for local blockchains, if you want to just test out the functionality of your smart contract on a local blockchain, you can just use any of the VM, any of the virtual machine of Remix itself, and we will go through on these in our next videos. And here we can select any account on Remix VM. We have like 10 accounts. We can use anyone and to deploy the contract, and we have bunch of other things here. If you want to if you want to make a transaction and want to send some ether with it, you can do it from here. And now, yeah, that's all about what Remix is. And now we are heading over to the another part, how to use it. So when we go to the File Explorer, we can just click on this new file icon and just create another file. Let's say for this tutorial we will be creating hello.sol. Sol is the extension for Solidity, and let me paste the hello world contract. Right now it is saying that our smart contract requires 0.8.20, but the compilers that we have selected in the compiler tab was 0.8.18. So let's select the right version, and now let's try to compile it with Control S. It should compile now, and yeah, it should compile. It is being compiled. Till then, let's quickly go through what it is. So right now, in the first statement we are declaring, okay, it is compiled. We are declaring that which compiler version we want to use, and then we have just a keyword of contract that we want to declare. We want to write a contract. What is the name of the contract? That is hello world tutorial contract. And inside there we have a public variable that can hold some string means any alphabets, combination of alphabets and numbers. And here we have the name as var. When we make it as public, we can even get it. It also generates Solidity also generates a getter. So what do we mean by getter? Getter is a function by which we can get the value of some variable. In this case we will get the value of variable var underscore, okay, or whatever you may call. And let's say greeting. When I hit Control S again, it is compiled now. And now when I go to the deployment tab, I can click on any virtual machine or any environment. But for simplicity, let's go through with any Remix virtual machine, any local blockchain, and hit deploy. When we hit deploy, we can see here in the progress tab that we have just made a transaction and the contract has been deployed. This is the contract address, and from our address, this we have created this hello world contract. And yeah, and let's go to the contract and just click on the greeting. It says hello world. So now this is all about what Remix is, and Remix ID is, and how to use it and how to deploy a simple contract with it. In the upcoming videos we will be seeing how to write how to write longer or meaningful smart contracts in Solidity, and we will go through each part of them. Till then, just take care of you, and we will see each other in our next video.